right there. Look at that. That is a thick piece of lamb. It is dripping the way it is supposed to drip. Drum roll, please.
Oh my God. How to make the best, the hashtag.
It smells amazing. Oh, nice. That is baked eggplant. Get a little bit of this bread. Oh, wow. Look at that. From up top, right here. Oh my God. Cozy little table over here.
It is.
What's up, guys? Ooh, look at that.
Cool. I like how you went for the cocktail.
Fried zucchini, here we go. Third time's a charm. It's the third one we have, right? With the tzatziki. I saw him actually cut that. The breading is so good, right? Super thick breading. Feels like a potato.
It does.
We'll try everything on the table. So what is it? You know what it is? It's just bread.
It's just bread.
Just bread. With that sauce?
I think so.
So, get a little bit of this bread. Oh, wow. That is a thick. Look at that. From up top, right here. Oh my God. That's so fluffy. That's like cake. It's not bread, it's cake. Right? This is the perfect bread to suck in the juices of anything that you have in your plate or in your bowl. The hummus. Sweet, the bread. It's very milky and very nice. Beautiful. What else do we have? That looks good. Look at the color on those tomatoes. The tomatoes are so
amazing.
Some of these onions, you need those onions. You need the cucumber. Super fresh. Oh, those cucumbers are just so beautiful. That is what you taste the most with those tomatoes. And you've got tomatoes, but you've also got capsicum over here, tomatoes. Oh, you got some of these olives as well. Let me try to get that olive piece over there as well. There we go, I got everything now. Was that date inside or is that olive? There's olive? Ooh, it's like a dried olive. Super nice. Halloumi with honey. Oh, halloumi is my jam. And this is, I'm just gonna do it with my hand. Everybody's done?
Yes.
Some halloumi over there. This is, oh my God, is this honeycomb?
Yeah.
Honeycomb.
Yep.
On top of that. The real way to eat it. That is nice.
Wow.
I bet they make this halloumi fresh over here. Super nice. It is grilled nicely, but the honeycomb and those walnuts. I love halloumi. Oh, you can eat that on its own, and a drizzle of lemon up on top. Boop, 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 boop. Fantastic. Superb. Okay. Can I try that one? All right. Get all this. I don't know what this green is. Get a little tomato, but we need this, which is the key. So how about we take some of this, put it on top. Oh, that worked out well.
Why?
That actually worked out very well.
Right?
Oh, I got it all.
Try that already.
All right. I have no clue. Can somebody explain what this is? Who ordered this? I mean, that feta is so creamy. It feels like it's cream cheese. That's how creamy it is. It's not crusty at all. Herbed up really nice. Beautiful little cherry tomato and that grilled shrimp. Woo! What else do we have? What's this? How come nobody touched this one?
No, because it's pizza and it looks heavy.
Well, you gotta give it at least one bite. And who got muhammara over there?
It's not heavy.
I'll get a slice of this. Just because, oh my God, look how greasy that looks. Look at, oh, yes. Okay, let's reach in. First of all, you get the muhammara with these onions over there. You gotta get that. And then I'll take that olive. Does anybody want the last olive?
No, it's yours.
No? Oh, the only one?
Yeah, you can have it.
Look at this beautiful olive. How could you leave this? Oh man, I love olives. Actually, very good muhammara. That muhammara is less nutty than the muhammara that you normally have. That is very, very interesting. I'm gonna get another one just because it was so beautiful. Look at that. I'm loving this. Eating with my hand. Well, I did have a little bit with my fork, but just eating with my hand, beautiful. And you gotta taste the truffle cheese pizza. I'm gonna go back from the crust side. That's how big of a believer I am in the crust. Thank you.
Spaghetti with truffle?
Spaghetti with truffle. Ooh.
That looks good.
Yummy, yummy.
I know you want to put it in.
All right, here we go. We got the two dishes that I wanted on the menu. I ordered them before I got here, and the lovely girls were gracious enough to order it, and it came in right when I got in. I ate all your food. Now I'm gonna eat my food. So here we go. First things first, you got this aubergine or eggplant, as we call it, and you've got tahina on top of it. Look at that. That is parsley on top, tomatoes, and I don't know what sauce they have over there. And this, I don't know what this is.
It's called rehan.
Rehan, basil. So this must be Greek basil. It's got a reddish color, right? Greek or not Greek?
It's not really Greek.
Not really Greek. Okay.
It's from Uzbekistan, Tajikistan.
Oh, I see. All right. And by the way, this basil, not like the Thai basil. The Thai basil is the good basil. Oh, that's the one that smells amazing.
It's called
Oh, nice. That is baked eggplant. Super nice. The tahina is good. That's a good dish. That was a little bit too much parsley. I put, so let me have a piece without the parsley. The tahina has thickened just a little bit, which is still good. I would definitely add a squeeze of lemon on top of this. Look at that. These are thick pieces of the tahina. Nice tahina. Okay. And now for the main course. Look at that. And what you want to do with this, you want to do that. And then you want to take this as a sandwich like this. That is, go for it, what you want to have right there. Look at that. That is a thick piece of lamb. It is dripping the way it is supposed to drip. And you take the biggest bite possible, no matter how messy everybody's watching. Drum roll, please.
Sure, just do it. Oh my god. How to make the best, the hashtag.
It is so tender. It does not smell or yeah, you know sometimes you have lamb and you could like have this lamby flavor and stuff like that. Not like that. That means that minced meat is spiced super well. Cucumbers, onions, tomatoes, and this tahina, which is a big deal. Oh, I got some over here. That's a good tahina. That is nice. That is the way tahina is supposed to be. They've got a little bit of cayenne pepper in the tahina, so it's a little bit spicy, which is really good. It's phenomenal. Let me cut this lamb. Oh, I got some lemons. Woo! Look at this. So here's what I'm gonna do. One more. Here is what I'm gonna do. Look at this. You put a little bit of lemon on that. But what we're gonna do is we're just going to make a small cut, and I'm gonna show you guys what the lamb looks like. Look at that. Oh my God. Super juicy, and that's because of the amount of onions in that minced lamb. You know that. You gotta have half lamb half onions. And if you do that, you're gonna get this juice. It's gonna be nice and just, oh, fantastic. This is brilliant. Yum.
Okay, let me tell you the Greek version of it.
Tell me, the what version of it?
It's not half onion.
It's not half onion?
No.
How? Why is it so juicy?
25% is the onion.
25%?
Then you have an egg.
Okay.
And you will have the...
100%. Yeah.
Like, how do you call it? Croutons?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
when you-
Like breading. Yeah.
Breading, like-
This is the same way that the
Arabic.
Persians do it.
Yeah.
No, the Arabs, no.
Kebab.
The
No?
Persians do it this way. The Iraqis do it this way.
Really. I'm so entertained.
This is worth-
I swear, I feel like I'm watching a food show, and I love food shows. So I'm like,
Yum. This is brilliant. Yeah. I don't want the flavor of this meat to go out of my mouth. It's really good. What's that?
Did we cook very well?
Did we cook very well? Yes, your people did great. This was amazing. My God, this is our 6th restaurant, by the way. And it's been amazing. I still feel great. But I'm not sure how much more I have left in me. This is it.
you have allowance.
This food was phenomenal. These are the guys that cooked up a storm for us, and everything was just absolutely perfect. Thank you. Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you, you too. Bye. Superb.
Goodbye.
Thank you very much.
See you again.
Thank you. Will do. Bye-bye. You guys actually thought we're gonna go to another restaurant? There is no way I need to go to any more than the 6 places that we went to today. We had some amazing food and just a super day of this food tour that we've had. And now I'm back here in my room at the Carlton, and I'm gonna get some sleep while you guys write me some comments, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you've seen the whole series so far. So much that has been amazing. I love you guys. Peace out.